With a couple of trips coming up domestically and overseas, I was in the market for a new backpack, something slim enough for daily carry, but practical enough for one bag cabin friendly travel. After a lot of research, I think I found the answer. The Armond Oak 25 plus 5 litre expandable backpack. Hey everyone, I'm Jimbob and welcome to Jimbob's EDC, where I share everyday carry setups, gear reviews, pocket dumps and more. If you are into EDC knives, multi-tools, watches, flashlights, kits and pouches, or just want to see what people actually carry, you are in the right place. Because what you carry, carries you. I've collected a few backpacks over the years, everything from this basic but surprisingly effective supermarket special to some of my Tuscany leather bags that I loved during my traditional leather work bag phase, when I thought investing in long-lasting leather was the answer. Tuscany leather do make some great bags. I still use this 3-compartment laptop bag as my work bag. It comfortably fits laptops, notebooks, EDC kits and more, but it is a bit bulky and not very practical for travel. This smaller leather day pack doesn't cut it for travel at all. Even for EDC, it doesn't hold much, and it is far too small and delicate for somebody of my size to be carrying. It's now on eBay. However, recently I've been shifting away from leather towards more modern, functional, lighter materials and evolving kit and trends, which has led me to Armond Oak. This bag caught my eye after many rave reviews, including one on the 21 million subscriber channel, Mr. Who's the Boss. With that kind of endorsement, I couldn't resist. I decided to give it a go and ordered one directly from Armond Oak at a pre-order price of £79.99. Was it worth it? This was Armond Oak's very first product, a sleek, minimalist travel backpack designed around a one-bag travel philosophy. I wanted something that would be good for upcoming trips by train, as well as being cabin friendly for flying. But I'm also currently using it as my main EDC carry backpack, along with my compact carry kits, such as my alpaca pocket pouch and my maxpedition daily carry pouch. Check out my earlier videos where I go into both of these carries in more detail. Let's have a look and see why this bag is stealing the show. The Armond Oak travel backpack is now priced at £99 in the UK and $129.99 in the US. The founder, Dylan, is all about perfecting one bag travel gear, and this looks like a game changer for bag fans and EDC enthusiasts like me who want a stylish, minimalist, lightweight, versatile bag for urban carry or commuting, as well as a lightweight one-bag cabin-friendly travel carry. It weighs just 855 grams and is made of water-resistant 280D nylon with a 100D nylon interior. There are YKK zippers with laser-engraved Hyperlon pull tabs, a removable Fidlock magnetic sternum strap and Duraflex buckles. It measures 17 by 13 by 7 inches, giving it a base capacity of 25 litres. However, opening this zipper increases the capacity to 30 litres while increasing the depth from 7 to 9 inches. And yes, I am very conscious that I am mixing my metric and my imperial measurements. It's a perfect personal item size for flights or the daily commute, and it feels both premium and minimalist. Black, discreet, and with minimal branding. I think it is awesome for both travel and for urban carry. The clamshell opening is great as it unzips fully like a suitcase, so I can pack, see and access my gear really easily. The laptop compartment is a padded top access sleeve that can fit a 16-inch laptop and a 12.9-inch tablet with a false bottom for drop protection. The front slash pocket is side opening with a fabric sleeve and a stretchy mesh zipper pocket inside, perfect for quick grab items like one of my EDC pouches or maybe my first aid kit. There's a hidden secret pocket on the right side tucked behind a fabric flap, ideal for maybe a passport, a wallet if I'm carrying one, or maybe even a tile tracker for that extra peace of mind. The water bottle pocket on the left is stretchy mesh, snugly holding my bottle without it slipping out, though it will hold a much bigger bottle than this one. The carry system is another highlight. The shoulder straps are curved, padded with EVA foam, and breathable with a Fidlock magnetic sternum strap that is easy to snap on and off. The back padding has a grid of foam panels for structure and some airflow. Overall, it is comfy for all-day carry, even when loaded. And for those trips with more luggage, the luggage pass-through sleeve and 3 carry handles make it nice and versatile for travel. Everything stays organised and the bag doesn't feel bulky even when fully packed. I've used it for commutes, errands, a weekend trip and a long-haul flight, and it has been fabulous. Light, durable, stylish and really comfortable even when worn for extended periods. I love this bag for both travel and EDC, as it's the perfect balance of capacity and minimalism. At 25 litres, it's big enough for my daily essentials plus clothing for a short trip, but the 855 gram weight keeps it featherlight compared to bulkier bags. The water-resistant nylon and YKK zippers shrug off the frequently wet English weather, and the hidden pocket gives me peace of mind for valuables. The clamshell design makes it easy to pack, unpack and grab my gear without rummaging around. So there we have it, the Armond Oak Expandable Travel Backpack, 25 plus 5 litres. It is a great addition to my carry arsenal. Whether you're a one-bag traveller or an EDC fan like me, this bag is a winner if you're after one do-it-all backpack. Have you tried this bag yet? I'd love to hear your experiences, or let me know what is your similar sized EDC or one bag carry backpack. Get involved in the comments down below, where you'll also find a non-affiliate link to almondoak.com where you can pick up one of these bags for yourself. Down there you'll also find a link to my kit.co site, where I have lists of gear mentioned in this video and in all my other videos. If you've enjoyed this video, please smash that like button, and a subscribe would be absolutely amazing as I try to grow the channel. Hit that notification bell so that you will know when the next video drops. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the next one.